Hello. 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 We are opening this, and I got two. Big spender. I did get two just because I've been waiting a while and it's a bird pack, so as a birder I had to get two. This isn't even the biggest pack. This is like the smallest, I think. It says first edition. Oh, first edition birds, Life TCG, live trading card game. Alright, we're just gonna hide this for now, actually. Actually, no, we'll leave it there. We'll leave it here. Yep, look, I made my bed really good for this stream. Okay. And I do have the one I bought last time, which I've not really done much with, but I guess it comes with 4 packs, and they're all in here. I need to put them in like a folder. I know. I freaking know. To protect them. Okay. So, it says, welcome to live trading card game, highlighting some of the most endangered birds on Earth. Players compete to beat each other based on animal stats. Okay, I don't really play the game. I don't really know anything about that. I just want to collect. It's really cool. This has 4 packs, 40 cards. Okay. 2 full arts, 2 holos, 2 rares. Great. Something, I can't remember exactly, but it's like the holos equal to the amount of the estimated amount of that animal that there is in the wild. And that's how many cards they make of the holos or something. The full arts and the holos, I think. One of those. Okay, so first thing. And I was hoping they did fix it. It's not the end of the world, but I wish it didn't have this plastic. It is lined with plastic. That's unfortunate. However, that I think is the only plastic in the whole pack, which is really cool because these are made of paper. It's so good. It's like, yeah. So I'm trying to open it. I'm trying to open the plastic. Hello, Utopia. Thank you. Hi, Eric. Oh. Okay. Already broke it. So this plastic, I don't know. It's really thin, so maybe it's like really delicate. Like, it's not the worst kind of plastic in the world, but still is plastic. That's unfortunate, but it's okay. Here we are. It has like, oh, you can like, I'm not opening cigarettes. Hello, Malcolm. I'm opening cards, bird cards of birds, collectible bird cards. Okay, I'm trying to open, I'm actually trying. I don't, I'm trying to get in. Oh, there's a sticker on the back here. Have you guys heard of this before? I wonder if they have any Australian birds. I haven't looked at, like, I've seen a couple that they post on Instagram, but I haven't really looked at like what you can get, because it's more exciting if I don't know. Okay, I'm like interested in this because this like pops out somehow. Oh. But like, what is the like, what is that for? Okay. I can't get in. Hold on, I'll get there. I think, okay. Bird. Eagle. Parrots? Is that the New Zealand? Is that parrot from New Zealand? I don't know. Oh, the art is cool. 2 eagles. Okay. Let's open the eagle first. So each pack has 10 different ones. Well, 10. Could be 10 of the same. Could be, I don't know. And these paper, how cool. Recyclable. Recyclable. Okay. Can you come to my birthday party on November 9th? I have no friends. Yeah, I can come. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do for your birthday? Alright, here's the back. I don't want to look at it yet. Wait, compare the back to the other ones that I have. Is it the same? This is the mammal set, so I have a mammal set. 40 cards from the mammal set. Oh yeah, it's exactly the same. Oh, I saw it. Oh. It's Overwatch themed. Okay. I'm already Tracer. What about Mercy? I'll be... Who will I be? Who will I dress as? What cards are these? These are Life TCG cards. Bird edition. Hello Helios. Bird edition. So this is the second like set that they released. This is the mammals. I bought this pack a long time ago of the mammals. And they've been sold out for ages, but they made a new set and I bought 2 packs. So I have like 80 cards to open. If you get a burrowing out, I want it. Okay, we'll have to trade. We'll have to trade. I'll trade you for your emu. Okay. Okay. This sun is really annoying me, actually. Boom. Okay. So we have the Amazonian royal flycatcher. That's our first guy. He's got, look at that. Oh no, how do I make it focus? There. Have you set up your Amazon list? No. Wait, Amazonian Amazon list. I'm sorry, I haven't done that. I haven't done much. We still have to do the push-up thing. I can't do the push-ups. I'm weak. Okay. He's quite cute. I've never heard of that bird before. There's 2.5 million Amazonian royal flycatchers. That's good. They're doing really well. White stork. Now this is where the babies come from, if I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong, this is where babies come from. $700K white storks. The annual migration of the white stork from Europe to Africa can take 50 days. Ooh. The flycatcher looks like a player. Yeah, I bet. Penguin. Emperor. Emperor penguin. Hell yeah. We can't forget about the flightless birds. Yeah. 600K emperor penguins. Pelican. Dalmatian pelican. Oh. The Dalmatian pelican is the largest pelican species and possibly the largest flying freshwater bird in the world. Damn. So bigger than the pelicans in Australia, and they're big. Freshwater, so they go in lakes. Are they in America? Has anyone seen this bird before? Oh my gosh, look at him. There's only 12,000. It's only 12K. So if you've seen one, you're very lucky. This was good. Oh. The great-eared nightjar. Oh my god. Look at him. Focus. It won't focus. But you see him. They're really cool. We have some in Australia. I don't know. This guy might be in Australia, or I've heard of this one. It might be Papua New Guinea. It'd be cool if it said where he's from. It's a very cool bird. We have the tawny frogmouths. They're a nightjar. And it could be this species or another species that you can also find. Maybe there's a few. Short-crested coquette. Oh my gosh. Gorgina, only 1,000. And there's only 10,000 nightjars, graded nightjars. This one's found in Mexico. We got a big look. We got one of these. I think it's called a full art. Rufus Sabruing. Well, I'll be. Look at him. Come on. Come on. Where are you? Focus. There you are. Gorgeous. So because the population is 35,000, I think. I think that's how many they made of this card. I don't know. I think that's how it works. I don't know. This bird is from the highlands of northern Central America. That's a really cool one. Common pheasant. Oh my god, 190 million. 190 million of this bird estimated. I've never seen it in my life. It's pretty cool. And then we have a horned lark. 140 million. Wow, so it's like we have magpie larks. I've never seen a different kind of lark before. And that one's horned. He's horny. The horn's actually curled tufts of feathers. Well, of course. We didn't think it really had horns. Common crestel. We have this. Kestrel, don't we? The common kestrel is skilled at hovering, which it often does while scanning the ground for prey. I'm guaranteed we have this bird in Australia. Spoon Mage, thank you. Oh, I think my headphones are not on. I'm just wearing them. Did that make a noise? I didn't hear it. Thank you, Spoon Mage. Shout out. Hello, Pirate Gruel. Shout out. Shout out. Shout out. Spoon. What did you do? Mage. What have you been doing? Shout out. Does that work? Yeah, look at me go. Welcome, Pirate Gruel. Hope my headphones working now.
Pirate Gruel just followed.
I heard that. I don't know why it's like in a weird spot. Well, maybe make that bigger. Okay. Thank you, Pirate Gruel. Thank you, Spoon Mage. We just unboxed our first 10 of the new Life TCG bird packs. They knew I was a fan and they knew I like birds, so they made a bird pack just for me. Can you believe it? And here's what we got. Boom. Wait, boom. 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 This is a big win. This is a big win. We're gonna put that to the side. Hearthstone. Oh my gosh. I think I tried that one back in the day. I really like this one too. And actually, I really like this one because there's only 1,000 of this bird in the whole world. Like, that is so sad. I've never heard of it. I'm going to put him aside as well. We're bringing about 10. It's okay. It doesn't matter what. It's not about. It doesn't matter. There's only 12,000. Okay, I'm just like putting my favorites aside. I love all of them. I'm doing well, guys. How are you? I've had a pretty good day. I went bird watching this morning. Now we're bird opening. And then I went for a swim in the dam. And I was chilling in there for a long time. Got all wrinkly. And came home. I cleaned the bathroom. Ate food. Now I'm here. Want to keep the car. True, you're on theme. You're on theme. Wow, how's that light that's going right down the middle of my face? Perfect. It is on theme. Card game to another card game. Okay, well that's our first 10. This could take a while. Let me speed it up. Let me not be opening the parrot. Maybe we'll only open this one today. Black kites. We have these here. Okay. So black kites. It's got it written on it. I knew it would have it as the fact. So we have a lot of black kites here. Oh, and the picture. They put it in the picture. So it says, research suggests that black kites intentionally start wildfires to flush its prey out and make hunting easier. Isn't that insane? And really cool. There's a lot of bushfires in Australia. And a lot of like backburning and controlled fires is like a big part of like Indigenous history. Like Indigenous people have been doing backburning for like ever. So how cool is that? I've seen this bird IRL. Do I rock climb? No. Sorry. I don't know. Okay. Okay, common goal. You know what? I reckon there's got to be more than 3 million of these. Surely. I could go to the beach right now and see 3 million with my eyes. Could be inspiration for a fire-type bird. True. Literally. It's very cool. Oh wow, Andean condor. The Andean condor is Chile's national bird. It appears on the country's coat of arms. Isn't the condor like the largest like flying bird? Like isn't he like massive? Very cool. Neoguard's sunbird. Only 5,000 of this. Very pretty. Oh god. There is lag between audio and visual. Well, that sucks. California condor. Oh, okay. I don't know how to fix that. Sorry. What if I do this? He blinked. Or is it my mic? Is my mic on the right mic? I don't know. The hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw is the largest flying parrot with a wingspan of 4 feet. And didn't they almost go extinct? There's 4,000. Obviously, that's not good still, but I think it was worse, right? That's a really cool card. I like that one. Wow. Resplendent Quetzal. I don't know, sorry. Look at that. And look, the artist on the bottom. These both by Kinsey Lane. Shout out Kinsey Lane. we got the jackpot. Oh my god. Okay, so there's a bird in New Zealand, a parrot, a flightless parrot called the kakapo. And there's only 244 left. And the hollows, which I might have in my hand, they only make the amount of that card that there is left of that animal. Boom. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Shing, 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 shing. The kakapo is both the heaviest and only flightless parrot in the world. Oh my gosh. It says speed in brackets flightless 5 miles per hour. Oh my gosh. That's really cool. That's a big win. That is really cool. Neat. Okay, where were we? We gotta keep going. We can't get freaking legendary. I think that's how it works. I think. I don't know. Like in the bottom, it says 1. Like I think these numbers in the bottom mean something. 12 out of 130. But like I don't really know. I don't really get it. Sorry. The puffin. Cute. Whoa, there's 10 million. Hello? The Atlantic puffin is an excellent swimmer, using its wings to fly underwater while hunting for fish. Is the bird in that gift where it's dancing on some guy's head? I think so, yeah. I think so. Oh, I just unplugged my whole computer. I just unplugged my monitor. I don't know how to fix it. Oh. My god. Oh god. I was trying to block the sun. There I am. Okay. Puffin. I can't believe there's 10 million puffins. I want to go and see them on those cliffs. We got the mallard duck. Song thrush. 100 million of this bird. He kind of looks like a dragon fruit. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, on to the next. I don't know how to fix if it's really like laggy. I don't know. Sorry, I'm like just pretend like it's not. I think other card companies need to take a leaf out of this because the paper is so much better than that plastic. Bar-tailed godwit. During migration, the bar-tailed godwit flies over 8,000 miles without stopping for food or rest, longer than any other bird. Doesn't it fly from like Alaska to here or something? Do we have these here? They fly here. I've seen one. Wow. I need to stop looking at the next one. The gear falcon, the largest falcon in the world, 35,000 left. Snowy owl. I really like this art, the background colors. Beautiful. Snowy owl can eat more than 1,500 lemmings in a single year. Cute. Ooh. The Ascension Frigate bird. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it says it can sleep while flying. Spends most of its life in the air. She must be tired. Imagine you spend 10 to 25 years in the air flying or walking non-stop. The fastest animal on the planet. Okay, Spoon Mage, thank you. Sorry about the lag. Thanks for the raid. I don't really like the art for this one, but that's cool. Oh, now this. is so cute. Focus. Wow. I think I have heard of this. The last remaining breeding site of the orange-bellied parrot is in Melaleuca on the western coast of Tasmania. That's a really, really cool card. Really good artwork too. Pauline Dallas. Oh my god. The lilac-breasted. Focus. The lilac-breasted roller. Look at that. Isn't that cute? The artwork is so good. Okay, wait, that's a good one. I really like that one. Okay, we have Common Swift. Okay, Swifties. Wow, it can stay in the air for 10 months and it can sleep, eat, and mate in the air. That is crazy. I'm just like, how do you mate in the air? That's kind of insane. Okay. House Sparrow. And wow, the red-winged blackbird. Red wings. Do you want the house door? I can make it first. Oh, what the? Never in my life have I seen this type of guy. And neither have you because it's not focused. It looks like an orca penguin. Very cool. Monk parakeet. Cool. Cute. Great horned owl. The great horned owl can be found from Canada to Argentina in habitats of fields, desert, wetlands, forests. This is like the owl, you know what I mean? Like close your eyes and you picture an owl. It's him. Oh my god, it's so hard to get it. There. Like that's like the Winnie the Pooh owl. You know what I mean? 5 million. 5.7 million. Common starling. At sunset, the common starling flock is a swelling swarm of thousands of birds changing shape as it moves across the sky. Oh, yeah. Another rare. Wow. So this is a northern bald ibis. This is the bird that the ancient Egyptians, it was a sacred bird, and there's only 250 left. And only 250 of this card as well because it's a hollow. Wow, we have ibis here. Oh! Guess which card it is. Starts with E, ends with U. Boom. The freaking aim. Brown pelican. Another pelican I didn't know about. Ooh, the blue-footed booby. Oh, this art is really good by Flavia DeMarco. Blue-footed booby males perform a high-stepping dance to attract females. Love this card. Look at the art. I love the blue feet, girl. It's beautiful. That's really cool. Blue and yellow macaw. Oh, I really like how it's the same it's the same like pose as the other macaw. Wait. It's like flying the same way, you know what I mean? That's really cool. Last one. Arctic tern. Cool. We get turns here. I think they're different turns though. Maybe. Maybe they fly around. Amazing. Okay. I still have another pack of 40 freaking cards. Let me test this audio, like what's wrong. Do you want to look at this beam of light? Like, how do I fix that? I just have to. I don't know. Oh god. Okay, I'll restart the stream.